Hello everyone, today we are making coconut macaroons. These macaroons are chewy and rich on the inside, crisp and golden on the outside, perfect for coconut lovers. Here are the ingredients you need: 1 egg white, 50 gram sugar and 1 pinch of salt, half a pack of vanilla sugar, 100 gram grated coconut. But first, heat the oven to 160 Celsius. After that, whip the egg white. Gradually add sugar, salt and vanilla sugar to the egg. Beat the egg white until stiff peak forms. From there on, add the grated coconut to the egg white mixtures and mix until combined. Then use a mini ice cream scoop to scoop mini amount and put them on a prepared baking sheet. Don't forget to space them about 1 inch apart. Lastly, put them in the oven and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until the bottoms and edges are deeply golden and the tops are lightly golden. Let the macaroons cool down for a minute. That's it. That's all there is to it. Enjoy!